Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get PayPal statements. So let's get right into it. The first method is view statements online. How you want to do that is to log into your PayPal account, and then you have to click on activity or history. Then you got to select the date range for the statement you want to view. Then you got to click on statement or view statements. Then your statement is going to be displayed on the screen and you can check it out. The second method, of course, is to download statements. Now you gotta log into your PayPal account, then click on activity or history, then select the date range for the statement you want to download. That could be last 30 days or 60 days or whatever. And then you gotta click on download or export. So you gotta choose the file format. Yeah, it could be an CSV or PDF, and then just save that to your computer. And of course, this method can only be done on the website. Now, the third method, of course, is to request statements by mail. You could request statement by mail, and how you do that is by first logging into your PayPal account, and then you click on help or contact us. Now, the third, you gotta select account statements or request a statement, and follow the prompts to request a statement by mail. Now, what you need to understand about statement information is the first, you're going to have transaction history. So it's a list of all transactions for the statement period, and then it contains your balance information. So your beginnings and ending balance for the statement periods are going to be made obvious. And of course, there's the fees and charges. So any fees or charges incurred during the statement period are going to be visible. So that's pretty much very useful to have that. And a couple of tips for you guys. The first is to monitor your account activities to detect any suspicious transactions. Of course, you guys also have to ensure your statement information is accurate and up to date. And if you have any issues, concerns about your statement, you can always reach out to PayPal support, and they're gonna help you, take care of that. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it useful. And if you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.